Hi everyone, here we've got ARCHOS Access 57 and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard, for example in messages, it doesn't really matter. And now let's tap on this G icon. Here we've got the settings, so let's tap on it, and at the very first position we've got the languages. Here we've got the list of previously applied languages. Now we've got only English, but in order to add new one, simply tap on Add Keyboard. And as you can see here, we've got the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So let me pick something, for example Arabic. Let's tap on it, choose the one you want to use, and click on Done. As you can see, it is immediately added to our list. Now let's get back to the keyboard. And as you can see here, we've got the new icon, the globe icon. What's more, on the spacebar we can see what language we are typing right now. Now we are typing English, of course, but if you want to switch through the languages, simply tap on this globe icon. And as you can see, the keyboard immediately changes to Arabic, and now I'm freely typing Arabic. If you want to get back to English, just tap on the globe icon again, and you're typing English. In order to remove some languages, then tap on this G icon again, go to the settings, tap on languages, and tap on this edit icon right here. Now let's tap on the language you want to remove. In my case it will be Arabic, and tap on this trash bin icon. As you can see, it immediately disappears. Let's get back to the keyboard. And here we have no globe icon, so it means that we can only type in English. So that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your ARCHOS Access 57. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.